There he goes, guys. First fish of 2022, gone. Here we go. We get past these little icebergs here. We're out. That's just slush. I'm a little worried about getting trapped out here, but I think we'll be alright. I can walk around the shore if I get stuck. Here we go. First troll. First open water. 2022. Ooh, breaking some ice with the Minn Kota. Ooh, easy now. Had to put some weight in the front. She's windy. Blowing straight sideways out here. Oh man, I hope we get some fish. Oh, there's some ghost bergs floating around out here. She's windy, man. Whew. Don't try this at home, folks. Man, it's nuts out here. Hopefully we can get back. Fish on. First fish of 2022. I can't believe it. Oh boy, it's a beauty. What do we got, guys? Oh, I still got my fishing tackle in the net. Oh man, it's a brown. Nice brown. Nice brown trout, guys. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh boy, that's a beauty brown, guys. Oh yeah. Woo! Look at that fish, man. Look at that fish, guys. Wow. Gotta get some pics and get that thing back. Wow. Hopefully you guys can see that good. Look at that thing. Oh my god. Holy crap, guys. Can't believe that's my first open water fish. Look at the red spots on that thing. That is the most nicest looking little brown I've seen in a long time. Pretty sure that's a brown trout. Yeah. Almost wonder if it was a tiger for a second, because there's a few tigers in this lake. Wow, man. That is a chunky little brown. I'm gonna get some pics and get them back. I'll give you guys a release photo video of them. Wow, I can't believe it, guys. Paid off. Panther Martin, I got that on. Gonna get back. Get another. It is crazy in here. Nice fish back, nice and easy. Oh, my rod's all hung up in the trees there. This is nuts. There he goes, guys. First fish of 2022, gone. Oh, another fish on, guys. I just hooked a nice one. I was trolling along there instead of casting. Man, this thing came and just walloped it. This is a nice fish, guys. Nice fish for this little rod and light line. I think I'm using like 6 pound friggin' fluorocarbon. Man, I'll be lucky to get this one. I've got the Panther Martin on. Can't believe I'm catching them in this little bit of real estate I got here. Tiny little bit of open water. I am so glad I got out here. Gotta get this net. It's a big rainbow, I think, guys. Oh, this is a big fish, guys. Oh man. PB already of the year or what? Oh, another brown, guys. Another brown. Oh, big brown. Big brown, guys. Big male brown trout. Look at that fish on the Panther Martin. It's not huge or anything, but for brown trout, for me, it's big, I'll tell you. I don't get many brown trout. Wow. Look at that fish, guys. He's got the Panther Martin just buried in there. Look at that fish. Wow. Oh, I'll get a release video for you guys here. I'm just gonna oh, all right, guys, I got a quick pic of that fish. So cool, guys. I'm gonna let him go. Gone. What I'm using there, got that Panther Martin on, yellow body and silver blade, big old dew worm on there. They smoked her pretty good. I was thinking about changing it up a bit, but can't beat getting those browns. That's wild. I didn't even expect to get it. That ice is still just thick enough. Can't go through it. I tried. Pretty wild. Can't believe it. Not bad. Got 2 fish so far on the Panther Martin. Can't complain. Maybe get 1 or 2 more. That'd be awesome. If not, pretty good. Well, guys, that's a wrap. Coming back in. Oh wow, there's a frog there. Coming back in from a great fish. Got a couple browns. Beauty night, guys. Found some open water. Oh, that was awesome. Take my dead weight out of the boat. Oh. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Couple fish, nothing too crazy. Tiny little bit of open water. More to come. Thanks for watching, guys. Boom.